Oh, brothers and sisters, this is a short reminder to us that Satan is a deceiver, the great deceiver. So, you know who is the great deceiver in this world? The God of this world. You know that? He is a Satan. So, mababasa niyo sa ibang mga religion na ang kanilang God is God of this world. So, remember that Satan is the God of this world and deceiver. So, maraming tao ang naliligaw dahil kay Satanas. Inililigaw niya yung marami at tinuturo niya tungkol kay Jesus Christ, kaya lang mali-mali. Tinuturo nila tungkol sa mga propeta, kaya lang mali-mali ang kwento, kaya nakakatawa. At yan ang gawain ni Satanas, ililigaw kayo, nagkukunwari sila ang totoo at sila ang sumusunod kay Jesus Christ.